Hello and welcome to Minute to Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic is creating a new Google Doc. So let's get started. There are 3 ways to actually create a brand new blank Google document. And I'm just going to show you all of them, but you can decide whichever one you'd like to use. So the first way is to, in Google Chrome, look at this little waffle icon. I call it the waffle, but it's the Google Apps icon. So you click on that and you scroll down to where it says Docs. It takes you to this screen and you click on this blank icon. And this brings up a brand new blank Google Doc. Another way to do this is to just go to docs.google.com. It'll take you to that same screen, click on the blank icon, and again, you have your blank Google Doc. Probably the most direct way to get to a blank Google Doc is to type docs.new. This will take you to a brand new, completely blank Google document. But that's how you access a new Google Doc.